Tired of manually copying Jotform submissions into Salesforce? Here is how to integrate them automatically in under 5 minutes. We will find the official Jotform app on the Salesforce AppExchange, install it, and connect your accounts. Let us start. First, open your browser and head over to the Salesforce AppExchange website. If you have not used the AppExchange before, it is basically the official app store for Salesforce. It is the safest and most reliable place to find tools that work with your Salesforce org. You want to go directly to the official website, not just a random search result. Now, once you are on the AppExchange, type Jotform into the search bar at the top of the page. Make sure you spell it correctly, Jotform. And here is the really important part. You want the official app from Jotform, not a third-party connector. Look for the verified publisher badge. That is going to save you headaches down the road. Hit enter to see the results. You should see the Jotform app appear near the top of the list. It usually has the Jotform logo and clearly says Jotform for Salesforce. Click on the Jotform listing to open the app detail page. Take a quick look at the description and reviews. I have tested this integration myself, and it is solid. It uses the official APIs, meaning your data stays secure and the connection is reliable. On the listing page, click the green Get It Now button. This will prompt you to log into your Salesforce account if you are not already logged in. Then you will need to choose which Salesforce environment to install it into, typically production or a sandbox. If you're not sure, production is the safe choice for live data. Follow the installation prompts. You'll have to agree to the terms and conditions and review the permissions the app is requesting. This might take a moment to process, so be patient. Salesforce is doing some background checks to make sure everything is compatible with your org. After the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Now open the Jotform app from the app launcher in Salesforce. It is the little grid of dots in the top left corner. Just type Jotform in the search box and click on it. This is where the magic happens. The app will ask you to authorize the connection between your Jotform account and your Salesforce org. You will need to log into your Jotform account if you are not already logged in. Then grant permission for the two systems to talk to each other. Do not worry. This is a standard OAuth connection, which is the most secure way to link accounts. Your credentials are never shared or stored in plain text. Finally, the fun part. You need to map your form fields to Salesforce objects. Think of this as telling Jotform where each piece of data should go inside Salesforce. For example, if you have a name field on your Jotform, you map it to the name field on a Salesforce lead or contact record. The interface is very visual and drag and drop, so it is easy to see what is connected to what. Once you have your fields mapped, submit a test entry from Jotform and check that it shows up correctly in Salesforce. This verification step is worth the extra minute. It catches any misalignment before real data starts flowing. And that is it. No more manual copying, no more lost leads, no more data silos. Your Jotform submissions will sync automatically into Salesforce every time someone fills out a form. You can focus on following up with your leads instead of shuffling spreadsheets around. Go ahead and give it a try.